cutting the lace piece by piece and sew every piece separately. Just imagine that. See this part? This here, I can leave it like that, but knowing me, I'm gonna find a small piece. Voila. Then I'm gonna place it there just to kind of cover the fabric. Imagine that. I'm gonna need more thread. I can place the small one right here. That would be nice. I'm still gonna do it. Just so happen my nail polish kind of goes with the color of the fabric of the lace. Imagine that. How cool is that? Okay, this thread has a tendency of getting tangled. I have to be very careful the thread doesn't show on the lining because it's already done. I'm just doing the edges. Everything else was done before the lining was connected to the dress, but right now I'm just doing the edges. I'm sorry, the edge of the armhole to fill it up. Okay. You gotta have love for this profession, otherwise it's gonna drive you crazy. Once again, my thread got tangled. Just gonna take my time. Okay. Okay, you know what? Just gonna cut that. go back to it. It was done. Give it a couple of more stitches and then knot it. Here you go. Okay. So far, this is the armhole. I think I just have to do this side. See, you gotta place it where you cover as much hole as you can. Remove all the excess to give it that nice edge. And I think I'm going to place it right here, see? And that's it. I think once I'm done with this part, I think I'm gonna be done with the sleeve. Like sometimes the more you do it, the more you actually want to continue it. You got to put a stop to it. Take your time and cut all. I took my time and cut all the pieces. You know, according to the size, the design of the and call it a day. I got one more. Uh-oh.